Hello guys, welcome to Traffic Table channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find a profitable niche and a winning design in less than 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's get started. So first of all, we're going to use Merge Informer and we're going to use the free search tool in Merge Informer. So if you go to mergeinformer.com, as you can see, I will leave the link in the description below. So you can go here and go for Merge Research. Great. And then you will see this page and try to make it US because on like mostly all the t-shirts sell in the US, and then make it t-shirt like here. And then if you want to search for something specifically, maybe you can put the keyword, but for now, for this video, I will put search and we'll just leave it blank and then we'll go for search like that. So once we hit search, we will go to Amazon. Great. And here we go, we'll find a lot of trends on Amazon. So what now? What we're gonna do now to know which t-shirt is design like trending right now, which t-shirt is the best right now. Of course, all of these t-shirts will have BSR are very good, as you can see, with very low BSR, and they are really having great and crazy sales. But how can we find the best niche where this niche is like, you know, no competition or lower competition at the same time, high trend and like very trendy at the same time, low competition? So let's see. So what I'm gonna do here, instead of sort by featured, you're gonna come here and then sort by newest arrival. That means that Amazon will fit like try to find for us the newest arrival, and from the newest arrival you will need to search about the one with lower BSR. So how can you search for something for low BSR? You have to download this tool, which is called Amazon Quick View. Great. So yeah, this Amazon Quick Views is a Chrome extension that's gonna show you the BSR. The BSR is a bestseller rank, which means you know, the lower the BSR rank, the higher the sales. So as you can see here, for example, if we come here, so I make it with newest arrival, I mean the thing which is totally new, and then press enter. Let's see. So here we go. The strategy here is trying to find a t-shirt which is having the lowest BSR in the newest arrival, or trying to find similar t-shirts in the same niche. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. So let's do it together. As we can see here in the first or the second row, you can see like this one has no rank, 456,000. It's good. Anything new lower than 500,000 BSR, this is the BSR number, it's very good. Okay, so if we go here, we will find 113, and that's really crazy since it's very new. As you can see, chilling with my kindergarten peeps. And as we go down, we can find the same t-shirt with the same design. It's still selling a lot, chilling with my preschool peeps, chilling with my third grade peeps, chilling with my second peeps. All of them have low BSR. Look, and that's crazy. That means this design especially is very new, and even with the variety of this design, all of the people like it and all of the people are going to buy it. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna write it down and write, for example, chilling with my peeps, or chilling with my kindergarten, chilling with my preschool, so you know these colors, this kind of design is literally very good design. What you're gonna do now is, maybe you can go for Etsy, and when I go to Etsy, you can find also, you can write chilling with my peeps, and here we go, you can see which design is selling the most on Etsy as well. So when you see the designs that's selling most on Amazon and also on Etsy, you will have you will figure out which color is the best, which design, how can you do that and make your design unique and profitable. Let's go for another one. Okay, if we scroll down, I will try to find on the newest arrival the lowest BSR for all the t-shirts. Here we have 22,107,137. Okay, I need something lower and lower. 600, 500, 109. Oh my god, 456. All of these guys, all of these t-shirts are amazing and all of them are selling, but I want the lowest BSR in page 1. Okay, and if you didn't find that, you can go for page 2, page 3 and find something lower than 100,000 BSR, which making a crazy amount of sales. Okay, so let's go, and here we go guys. You can see this t-shirt. Wait a minute. Yes, if you ain't croaking, you ain't rocking. It's really cool t-shirt. It's very easy to do, like vintage retro sunset retro vintage design. As you can see, 52,000 BSR. That's really incredible. That's incredible, guys, because it's very new. It has 52,000 BSR. It means it's selling a lot in a very short time. And I think this is a winning design, and of course it's a winning niche. So what you're gonna do now is go for Etsy again, and let's see. Let's write, if you end Kroken, you end Kroken, or maybe you can just have Kroken funny t-shirt. You can just write like that. So I wrote on Etsy Kroken shirt, and let's see. And I saw that there's some ads here. I just ignored the ads. I want something without ads, which is selling already. So I found here a very good design, and when you go to Etsy on this listing, you have to open this listing and open every listing and check that if there are reviews in these t-shirts and if the people literally buying this t-shirt or not. So I opened this one, and let's figure out. When I open that one, so I go down here and I go for the sort by newest, and then I saw that the people are already buying this t-shirt, like two purchased the same t-shirt with the Kroken. And also it's written here down, other people want, 3 people have this in the basket right now. So that means it's already selling right now with very winning design. So I know that's the style that I want to design, something like that. So don't be a copycat. And another tip I'm gonna give you guys, also you can go for Pinterest and write, for example, Kroken funny t-shirt, and you can see another design. So what you're gonna do here is to find a very good design with lower BSR, which is very new on Amazon, and search it on Etsy, search on Pinterest, and have an idea about the color, the graphics, what exactly you put in the design, which t-shirt exactly, like they have the black one, okay? Everything you can write it down, and at the end you can have a very unique t-shirt. Mix it from all these ideas together, and you can find your winning high quality unique design. You can put it on Amazon, you can put it on Redbubble, on somewhere, anywhere you want. But in this criteria, this method, I use it myself, and it's really have a great impact on my sales on Redbubble. So please guys, try to find this, try to make, like, try to understand these profitable methods. And I hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe, hit and smash the like button, and if you want to have any question, just ask me in the comment down below. I will answer everything. Thank you for listening, guys, and I wish you a very nice, beautiful, profitable day. Thank you. Bye bye.